Hey everyone. Today I'm talking about my least favorite, I would say, topic, which is, or no, not least favorite, the most challenging part of sewing. Everyone I know that sews hates sleeves. Why do we hate sleeves? Because it's a real challenge, right? It's a challenge to fit that sleeve into the armhole without unwanted gathers and puckering. But this technique will ensure that you get that perfect fit every single time. So unlike basting where you have to manually create those gathers and try to spread them evenly, crimping makes this so much easier by evenly easing that excess fabric into that small area. It makes it perfect for sleeve caps. This technique is the best method when you have a sleeve cap that's only slightly larger than the armhole. You'll see it doesn't really distribute very evenly. And you notice here when I'm trying to ease it, it's really tough to just get it to be perfect. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that basting thread out. And now I'll show you how to do it using the crimping technique. So with the crimping technique, we're going to stitch just inside the seam allowance. I'm going probably about 1/4 of an inch. You can go even less than that. You can go at 1/8 of an inch right on the edge if you want. It's important to keep the stitch inside the seam allowance. So I'm doing mine here at about 1/4 inch. You could do it even smaller, maybe at 1/8 of an inch. So you keep the fabric slightly taut and you put your finger behind the presser and you keep your finger there. Don't move your finger. And you just slowly stitch and you let the fabric go naturally as it builds that ease. Do not backstitch and make sure you leave a tail at the beginning and at the end so you can adjust it if you need to. Now gently tug the bobbin thread if needed to create a small gather. The fabric should curve slightly, but it should remain smooth. So as you can see here, mine is nice and smooth. It looks beautiful and it's very even. And this wraps up this short video on crimping. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.